Welcome to the new session, and we would be happy to see your overall change. This life skills is basically to see the personal development of the child. So you are all supposed to take part. It is not only academics. We would expect you to have an overall development. We also have Mr. Seed sir as our VP who will be supporting you all, and we have Mr. Ghosh sir, Rosemary ma'am, please stand up. Rosemary ma'am and Subhashini ma'am, who is not here right now. So they three will be in charge of the life skills, but myself, Kavita ma'am and Reshma ma'am are also there for the overall coordination. We would expect you all to prepare well. Every week we will be expecting something nice like this, and we would want you all to participate. It doesn't matter if you are not able to speak out. The very intention is to overcome your stage fear. So we would expect you all to participate. Okay? Thank you.
Good afternoon. I request our Vice Principal, Mr. Rinke Singh, to speak a few words before we start the program.
Good afternoon, all of you. To the newbies who just joined the Casios in the family. This is a platform that we have devised for people who are afraid to do what? Speak. Stage exactly. To speak. So you will be speaking for a start in the class, in front of your friends and in front of your teachers, but gradually, by and by, we'll push you to Sprintor, where it will be a full-fledged affair. And that might be photographed and sent to the press. Deccan Herald particularly. Parents and pictures of your school people coming there every week. So, whatever you say, whatever you want to do, you're welcome, but make it sensible, make it decent, and respect what your teachers say about that particular program. All the best. This is the first episode of the life skill. We hope it will go from strength to strength. So all the best once again. Please do your best.
Thank you, sir. Photographs will be taken, as sir said. It will be posted in Deccan Herald and even net, everywhere. It's a mandatory. Once again, Anthony. And whatever you know, you have to speak. Do not worry, and others should not laugh. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, sir. So I'll start from class 7. Today's topic is culture. As I said yesterday, you belongs to Karnataka, you belongs to West Bengal, you belong to Andhra Pradesh. If you are from that state and if you know about that state, you speak. If you are from other state, you speak about that particular state or about that country. Some of you might not be knowing about India. Some of you are born and brought up in Dubai. Please speak about the culture of that country, whatever you know, wrong or right. Teachers are there to judge here, and then next week's program will let you know. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Class 7, raise your hand. Class 7. Okay, class 7, please come. I do not know your name, please come here. Manav, class 7, GCSE, Commerce, Science, everything same. Carry on. Madam, start.
Hi, my name is Manav and I am from IGCSE 7. I am come from Mumbai. Mumbai is famous for street foods. The Taj Hotel was attacked by in 24/11. The Taj Hotel was attacked by the terrorists. The Mumbai's official language is Marathi. In one area, many Christians live. There is one church.
What is famous in your place? Food.
Okay, you can talk about tourism, you can talk about Ganpati, you can talk
Mumbai
about
is
Bollywood.
famous for tourism. There are many places to visit like Gateway of India, Marine Drive, etc. And I'm proud to be an Indian. Thank you.
Good morning friends, good morning teachers. I am Priyank Bhansali from 7th IGCSE and I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Jodhpur is very good for, very famous for food and sweets like Kaju Katli, Gulab Jamun, Ghevar, etc. And Jodhpur is also famous for camel riding and it's famous food dal bati and churma etc. And Jodhpur famous sports is badminton and it is played national by coaches and the famous tourist places are Mehrangarh Fort and Umaid Bhavan Palace and where I live, Shastri Nagar, it's a very rich colony and men's wear in Jodhpur, men's wear turban and kurta pajama. I like Jodhpur, I like Rajasthan. Thank you.
Class 7, next, new.
Amar.
Madam.
Amar is there, Akhilesh
Amar.
is there.
You start from this side. Just see how.
This side.
You start from this side.
This side, this two. Akhilesh. You are Akhilesh. Dubai. Okay, this is going to enlighten you about Dubai or India.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Today I am going to talk about the place where I come from, which is UAE. Little louder.
1 minute.
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Introduce.
Start.
UAE is an Arab country. 90% of UAE is follow Islam. The ruler of UAE is Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Over 100 nationalities live in UAE. UAE is known for dates and perfumes. Before the discovery of oil, UAE was very poor. There was a discussion held in 1971 when the rulers of the 7 Emirates spoke about uniting all of them. And it got united on 1972 December 2nd and got its name the United Arab Emirates. Now about the clothing. The men wear tanduras, which is mostly white in color so that it helps heat from absorbing. The ladies wear burqa, which is black in color. There are many tourist attractions, but the main is Burj Khalifa. It is named after the Prince of Dubai, Sheikh Khalifa. It has the title the tallest building in the world for many years. It has about 120 to 140 floors. Next is the Burj Al Arab, which is the only 7-star hotel in the world and has many luxurious rooms which come in 6,000 to 15,000 dirhams. Next is Ferrari World, which is for kids and it has the fastest roller coaster in the world. The Dubai Duty Free Airport is one of the most beautiful airports in the world. It has many luxurious lounges like the first class lounge, business class lounge and the spa. It also has I'm proud to be an Indian and experience such a luxurious lifestyle like any other. Thanks.
Speak on the
He's from where? Dubai. Dubai.
speak about Bangalore where I come from. Bangalore is a metropolitan city and it is densely populated. It is famous for, it is known for two huge parks and for greenery. History is started by it has a unique tourist attraction like Vandana Nala, Vidhan Soda temples and etc. And it is green city and electronic city. Yeah. It is famous for roads like Commercial Street, Banshankari, Chickpet, etc. And it has various kind of mall like Oran Mall, Phoenix Mall, Mantri Mall, Forum Mall, and more. It has been recently launched metro, and which is a large scale plan